Today's lesson, we are going over the key of C. Listen, if you want to play guitar or you want to be a musician, okay? You want to be a musician, you have to know your keys. Everything starts with the major scale. So today we're going to we're going to learn the major scale, okay? This lesson is going to be essential for you. This is going to be for beginners who are trying to go to an intermediate level. All right, so you've picked up the guitar and you want to learn how to play your instrument, okay? I want you to actually learn how to play your instrument, not learn just how to play songs, okay? I think all of us have been guilty of doing that, but there is a difference, okay? I want you to know how to play your instrument. So today we're going to go over this C major scale, all right? I got some exercises that we're going to go through. I got some tracks we're going to play along with, so this is going to be interactive. So grab your guitar, tune it up, and come on in. Welcome to PJ Guitar. I'm Patrick Johnson, PJ, and today I got a lesson I want to share with you, as I said, in the key of C. All right, we're going to start at a beginner level. So today we're just going to learn some chords rooted on the A string, okay? All right, so we're going to start with our major scale. Our major scale starts, and we're going to learn the number system as well. That's going to be very useful for you as a musician. You're going to want to know that number system. So let's start off. We're going to start off with the notes, then we'll translate it to the number system. It's going to be as easy as 1, 2, 3, ABC. All right, I mean literally as easy as 1, 2, 3, ABC. So we're starting off here on our C note. D. E, F, G, A, B, back to C. All right. Now, so our first note is our 1, C. Second note, 2 is D. Third note, E. F is our 4. Our 5 is G. 6 is A. 7 is B. Right back to C. That is an octave. Excuse me, that's an octave. All right. You can also do that on one string. Learn it on one string. Sing it if you have to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 6, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm sorry, I messed up. Let's start it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 or the 1. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sing it. It's going to be helpful if you sing along with it, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 or 1. 8 and 1 are the same, okay? It's because it starts over, all right? Because we're back to a C. Now, so we know the major scale. We know the notes. So we're going to start off with our chords, all right? Let's do our chords rooted from the A string, okay? So if you follow these notes, the same notes from the major scale, we're just going to put notes with them. The 1 or the C is always going to be major. Our 2 is a D minor. The 2 is minor. Our 3 is an E minor. The 3 is minor. Our 4 is going to go back to major. Our 5 is also going to be major. Our 6 is going to be a minor, so A minor. Our 7 is going to be the curveball. We're going to do a minor 7 flat 5 or diminished chord, okay? Back to our 1, which is major. Once again, major, C major, D minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor. This was a little tricky. That's a B diminished. All right. Let's learn of some special chords. All right. Let's go up a level. Okay. If that's all you got for now, that's okay. And you can use that what you have so far, or even just the scales themselves can go along with our exercise that we're gonna do here in a moment. Okay. So we got a C major 7. Let's do a major 7. You hear how that's, oh, that's beautiful. Let's do a minor 7. Kind of got an R&B soulful feel to it. Let's do a major 7 on the 4. Because we're adding tension. The 5 is a very tense chord because it's taking us some places. So we're gonna do a dominant 7. That's a G dominant 7. Let's go to our A minor, minor 7, to our, back to our 1. Let's do that again. You don't have to add that note in. That was the boo-boo. Let's go back down. All right, so we got to exercise. Our first exercise we're going to do is we're going to go from the 1 to the 4. So that's that C to the F. All right. And we're going to stack levels. Okay. We're just going to start off with just the simple C. And then we're going to work our way up. Okay. This is going to be interactive. So I need you. And so far, if this has been helpful and useful to you, please hop in the comments. Let me know. If this is your first time coming to the channel, please introduce yourself. I would love to welcome you to the channel. Also, we have many things available, many ways that you can support here. One way you can support is just by hitting the like button and commenting. And also watching the video all the way through is a major way you can support, and it doesn't cost you a thing, maybe a little bit of your time, okay? And I appreciate you for that. If you want to take your support to another level, you can join this channel. We have 3 different levels of joining, and each of them come with some benefits for you, okay? That are going to be exclusive just for you who are supporting on that level, all right? And then you can also always share this video and send it out to friends. If there's someone you know that's beginning guitar or beginning to be a musician, wanting to learn and take things to another level, then you can go ahead and you can help us out right there. So thank you, and we appreciate you for the level of support. Let's play along with this track. We're gonna jam. This is gonna be interactive. We're gonna stack, and we're gonna build, and we're gonna learn. Okay, listen. The way these lessons are, all right, the way they're developed, all right, they're for you to come to, and if you have to, come back. All right, take what you can, build how you can, and then come back. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Build how you can, focus, practice, and as you get better, you come back, and we'll be able to build and learn. This is critical for your growth as a musician. Okay, all right, here we go. So we're going to start with just going from the 1 to the 4, but we're going to build, and we're going to figure out different ways we can go between the 1 and the 4. All right, so this is a very, very smooth, very easy tempo, nothing too fast, nothing too slow. So right now we're just going from that C note to that F note. So let's do that. That 1 C major to our 4. There's 1. I didn't put that in the scale, but that is it. And you know your 4 is up here. All right, if that's all you got, one note at a time you're playing, work on your picking, work on your accuracy, staying in between those frets. I accidentally hit the wrong note, but it's okay. Let's start walking our scale in between that 1 and 4. So what I did there, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 3, 4. 1. I doubled up on the 1 that time. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're just going in between the 1 and the 4. You can also start, if you want to start soloing, you want to learn how to lead, here's the perfect time to play on your scales, okay? We can work on our scales. So we go, The beautiful thing about a scale is you can play it any way you want to, and it's gonna sound good. So I'm just gonna randomly play. I'm just randomly playing. You can always slide into notes to make them sound better. Hit the wrong note, but that's okay. Keep going, okay? Keep practicing. Keep practicing. Listen, if you can't do up and down vertically, go horizontal. So listen, if you can't do vertical, do horizontal. Follow me. Come back. You're making music. Let's start doing chords. C major, F major. Get those chords under your hands. Ooh. sliding into the chords. How about that? Slide in. Start strumming. Let's take it up another level, okay? We're gonna go up another level. We're gonna start putting chords in between. So let's add the 2 and the 3 before we go to the 4, okay? So we're gonna start off on our 1 and go. How we gonna get to the 4? The 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. That's a good little rock hand. Let's start switching it up. To the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. How about that? 1 to the 4, okay? How else can we get to the 4? All right, in music, there's something called a 2-5-1, okay? 2-5-1. So we're gonna treat the 4 like it's the 1. All right, if you ain't getting that, I'm sorry, don't let me confuse you. Take what you can right now and we'll run with it and we'll go with it. Maybe you can play the chords. Maybe you don't understand the concept, but you can play the chords. But I want you to try to remember these things, okay? All right, I think that's enough. And now listen, if this lesson has been helpful for you, okay? If it is helping to develop you, please let me know in the comments, all right? And let me know, are you ready to go to the next level, okay? There's more that we can always add on and more that we can build on, okay? Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for being here.